Hey guys, let's take a look at the new X1 from Seed Studios and see how it compares to the old T1000. I'm out here at Huntsville for the Ham Fest. Thought I'd take a little time testing both of these while I was here. First thing that's going to stand out is it's got a little color now. It's not so monochromatic. But the biggest change is that you can use a USB-C cable with it now. So no more having to have the specific cable that you're going to lose or break. We all have USB-C cables laying around, so you can just plug it in with that. The next big change is the battery. It now has an 1100 milliamp hour instead of the 700 milliamp hour. Seed Studios says that'll give you 5 days on this, where you only got 2 days on the T1000. Another great upgrade is the T1000 had a single band GPS, to where the X1 has a dual band GPS. This gives you more precision, which means you won't have that flakiness for multipath and around buildings and things like that. And another thing they did was they added a haptic motor in this so you could have vibration. So just like with your cell phone, you could put it on vibrate only, you can do the same with the X1. And lastly, the best upgrade if you're into the outdoors, is the T1000 had the IP65 rating, to where the X1 has the IP66 rating, meaning it'll stand up better to the rain, mud, and outdoor use. So if you're also at the Huntsville Ham Fest, go by the Seed Studio booth and check out the new X1. I'll also have it on me walking around, so stop me and say hi.